You are the best person watching us right now. We really appreciate you for coming back. Today's recipe is something to whet your appetite. Tilapia stew with banku is what we are preparing today. Stick and stay as we take you through the process. These are the ingredients to be used for today's recipe. We have tilapia, pepper, tomatoes, tomato paste, onions, fish flavor seasoning powder, onga shrimps, stew and gravy spices, fish flour, natural spices, salt, oil, powdered pepper, corn dough and cassava dough. Our ingredients are set to kickstart our today's recipe. We wash the tilapia and cut them into our preferable sizes. Pour water onto it and wash thoroughly. Add the fish flavored seasoning powder, add Maggi and cover for some time. Put charcoal into the coal pot and light up the fire. Pour water onto the pepper, onions and tomatoes. Wash and slice into the blender. Add the natural spices and water. Cover and begin to blend. Put a frying pan on the coal pot fire. Check the seasoned tilapia and pour oil into the pan on fire. Add slice of onions and leave it to heat up. Add the fish flour to the oil and put the fish into it. Note, there are different ways of frying. You can put the fish into the hot oil just as I have done, or for the crunchy feel. And also you can rub the fish powder around the fish before putting it in the oil. Let's see how the frying goes on both sides. You can choose on which one works for you. Take the crunchy fried tilapia from the oil and add the one rubbed with the powdered flour and begin to fry. Take the fried fish off the fire. Put a pot on the coal pot, pour the blended ingredients into the frying pot on fire, add a bit of oil and cover to boil. As the stew begins to boil, we stir and add the tomato paste and powdered pepper to it. Stir and cover to boil. Wash and slice the onions into a calabash. Add to the stew and keep stirring. Add half size of the shrimp's Maggi, add ginger, garlic and onion powder, add curry powder, stew and gravy spices, add salt, stir and cover to boil. We now add the crunchy fried tilapia to the stew and stir gently. We now add the tilapia head and keep stirring. Slice onions again. Add pepper and put into the boiling stew. Shake and take it off the fire. Put the cassava dough into a bowl, pour water onto it and mix together. Sieve the mixed cassava dough into a pot. Add the corn dough and mix together. Add salt. Put the pot on fire and begin to stir. Stir till it becomes solid and begin to dry. Dry till it's well cooked. We now wash our plantain leaf, heat it on the cold pot fire to allow it to become soft. serve the banku onto it and cover with a plantain leaf for that nutritious feel. Take the stew off the fire and begin to serve. This is one of the best food combinations that will make you yearn all for more.
Baby, and I know they're not good. And what's it like the plate in the end?
Some prefer the fish in the stew, others prefer it to be served separately. This is how we choose to serve it so everyone can have a choice.
You need an answer.
Our banku served on the plantain leaves is the best for your health, unlike the rubber. Try this and thank me later. We continue to enjoy this food recipe like never before. If you have watched us from the beginning till now, kindly leave your comment with yes, I'm here for a warm shout out in our next video. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments for more. We really appreciate you all for coming back to watch us once again. Much love to you. See you in our next video. God bless you.